Yours also.
Let's go in the middle, The blood, yeah?
Well, maybe now found. Here for the pictures, right there in white. Thank you so much for the great work. And then there is one special gentleman here, Crazy Beats. This also happens to be the in-house producer of Mpaka Records. Ono ye single manyi, yes single manyi. Drekali wizo manizo, you are no producer. Banange. This is the producer, an amazing young man. Era mugena munyo mirwanyo, aina talent ya tabunyo. So thank you so much, Crazy, for the work. The world is not ready for you, my brother. Big up on yourself. Yeah. So, DJ, Owimba will set. So we're going to sample Obanga Inoveri kunamba chi.
10.
Kwa album. What number is it on the album?
Number 11.
Number 11. So guys, we're going to sample you, number 11. Just 30 seconds.
10 is
Let's go. 1, Pulo, ladies and gentlemen. That is Obanga Ina, the redo by Waiki Benda. Big up to the Honorable who produced the classic Jetuita Obanga Ina, Honorable Magola Rachel. Thank you so much for giving me the permission to produce this song. So that's Obanga Ina for you, produced by one and only Crazy Beats. Tugenda kulimba ulala DJ
we're gonna go to track number 3.
Let's go. Pulo. This is Waiki Benda featuring Nigerian superstar Techno Miles.
Produced by
Celebobo from Nigeria, mastered by Crazy Beats and Nez Avatar. Big up on yourself. So listen to this song, Baluita Magic. Sample that. Nongo Julia. Your love is Pulo.
Tomorrow, and it's going to be available on the Mpaka Records website. That is mpakarecords.cu.ug. So men, support us, yeah? Much love. Thank you very much.
Okay. Big up on yourself.
Like you've just noted, this particular album is one that cuts across